2018 Chevrolet Traverse interior review. Most three-row crossovers tend to be less versatile than minivans. They lack the same level of interior flexibility, the third row is usually cramped, and they lose a good amount of cargo capacity when all seats are occupied. However, modern consumers find minivans uncool, so they go for mid-size crossovers like the 2018 Chevrolet Traverse. Sure, they might have less interior space, but to the average buyer, the rugged looks are a bigger draw. Fortunately, through some clever packaging, the Traverse offers plenty of space and flexibility for your family to go with those rugged looks. If you opt for the Traverse RS like one of our test cars, you're opting for the sporty-looking family crossover. So in order to reinforce that fact, the Traverse RS gets black leather with contrasting bright bronze stitching, and it's the only interior color available for that model. Silver metallic plastic trim gives the interior a little more brightness. Should you want a little more color, the Traverse Premier is available with two-tone brown and gray leather. This gives the cabin a nice splash of color. Those looking for an even more premium vibe and a brighter cabin should consider the range-topping High Country trim with its loft brown and black scheme, shown below. Getting in and out of the third row is a breeze because you can either slide the Smart Slide second row seats forward via the latch on the side of the seat or walk between the two captain's chairs.